Hello there, this is Rahul Srivastav, and in this video I am going to talk about abroad education loans from Avance Financial Services. Avance Financial Services is a NBFC that provides abroad education loan. An NBFC is a non-banking financial corporation that is approved by RBI to provide loans to borrowers. Avance Financial Services also offer education loans for studies in India, but in this video I'll talk about their abroad education loans. First I'll talk about their loan product, and then I'll talk about the process of getting loans from Avance, and finally I'll tell you the benefits of taking abroad education loans from Avance via Gyanthan. So talking about the loan product, you can get an unsecured loan of up to 40 lakhs to 45 lakhs for your abroad education from Avance Financial Services. And if you want a collateral loan, you have a collateral to pledge, then you can get a loan up to 1 crore or even more from Avance. And if I talk about the processing fees charged from Avance is 1 to 2% of the loan amount. Generally, a student can get a loan at 1% to 1.25% of the loan amount. The processing fees is charged from 1% to 2.5% of the loan amount. If I talk about the interest rate varies from 11% to 15%, and it depends upon the student's profile, the academic profile, the test scores, the college you choose, the course you are going to pursue, and also the co-applicant's income. So depending upon your profile, your financial profile, your academic profile, the interest rate can vary. And in most cases the students get a loan at the interest rate of 11.5% to 12.5%, and also depending upon your profile, the interest rate can be either on the higher side or on the lower side. One of the best benefits of taking education loan from Avance Financial Services is the higher rate of approval. That means if you are going for an education loan from Avance Financial Services, the chances of getting your loan sanctioned is way higher in comparison to other banks or NBFCs. And if I talk about the repayment tenure, then the repayment tenure can be flexible and it can be stretched up to 10 years. But that you have to mention while taking the loan that okay, this is the tenure that I want to repay my education loan. And in case you want to prepay your loan, then the prepayment penalty is charged only up to 6 months after taking the loan. That means after 6 months you can prepay your loan without any prepayment penalty charged. So if I talk about the documents required from Avance Financial Services is way lesser than any other bank or NBFC. Co-applicant and applicant have to provide the KYC. Student has to provide the academic documents and the admission letter from the college. If the student doesn't have the admission letter, he or she can also apply for an education loan on the basis of the test scores. And from the co-applicant side, if the co-applicant is salaried, in that case the co-applicant has to provide 3 months of salary slip, 6 months of bank statement, and 2 to 3 years of ITR. If the co-applicant is non-salaried, in that case the co-applicant has to provide the 6 months of bank statement and 3 years of ITR. The document list can vary, and for that you can contact Gyanthan and we will provide you a customized checklist of documents, and you have to upload all those documents on our website, so no physical documentation will be required. Once the documentation is done, we strive our best to get your loan sanctioned ASAP. In fact, you can get your loan sanctioned within 2 to 3 working days after documentation if you apply for an education loan via Gyanthan. So if I talk about the education loan process, the process is very simple. All you have to do is to check your loan eligibility by visiting our website www.gyanthan.com and checking your loan eligibility there. You can also check your loan eligibility from the link given in the description below. It just takes 3 to 4 minutes to check your loan eligibility. If you are eligible for an education loan from Gyanthan, our education loan counselor will get in touch with you, and we will strive our best to get your education loan sanctioned. And it's important to note that we don't charge even a single penny from the student. That means that our loan assistance is totally free of cost. And so if you want an abroad education loan, then I will recommend you to get in touch with Gyanthan, check your loan eligibility, and get the free loan assistance from us. I hope that you have found this video useful. If you have liked this video, then please click on the like button below and also subscribe our channel to see more videos on abroad education. Thank you so much.